In this video, we're going to work on a number sequence word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha and Sienna owned a toy shop, they made 2 toys on Monday, 4 toys on Tuesday, 8 toys on Wednesday. If this pattern continues, how many toys will they make on Thursday? So the first step is to write out the numbers and see if there is a pattern. So 2 toys on Monday, 4 toys on Tuesday, 8 toys on Wednesday, and Thursday is the mystery number that we're trying to solve. So we could see that when you go from 2 to 4, that multiplies by 2. Then when we go from 4 to 8, that also multiplies by 2. So multiply by 2 to get the next number. So we multiply 8 times 2 to get 16. This is the missing number. So this is how the final answer looks. 2 toys on Monday, 4 toys on Tuesday, 8 toys on Wednesday, and 16 toys on Thursday. Everything is multiplied by 2 each day. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, check out the description below. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in there, so you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.